Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into YouTube Studio, manage your channel dashboard step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so pages load correctly. Go to youtube.com if you are using a computer. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner if you are on the YouTube website. If you are not signed in, click Sign In and enter your Google account email. Type your password carefully and complete any verification steps if asked. After signing in, click your profile icon again to open the account menu. Select YouTube Studio from the menu to enter the Creator dashboard. If you are on a phone, install the YouTube Studio app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the YouTube Studio app and sign in with the same Google account that owns the channel. Confirm that you selected the correct channel if you manage multiple channels. Look at the Dashboard tab first to see your latest video performance and updates. Check channel analytics on the dashboard to understand views, watch time. Tap Content to see all your videos, shorts, and live streams in one place. Use the visibility column and content to confirm whether a video is public, unlisted, or private. Click a video title to open its details page for editing. Update the title and description to improve clarity and search visibility. Upload or change the thumbnail to make the video look more professional. Go to the audience section in video details and set whether the video is made for kids. Open the monetization tab if eligible and choose the correct ad settings. Go to comments to review, reply, pin, or hide comments for better. Open analytics from the left menu to explore detailed reports and traffic. Use the Earn tab to track revenue features if your channel is in the YouTube Partner Program. Open the Customization tab to edit your channel layout, banner, and featured sections. Go to Subtitles to add captions and improve accessibility and watch time. Open Settings to manage uploads defaults, permissions, and channel level options. Use the top search bar in Studio to quickly find a specific video or setting. Log out by clicking your profile icon and selecting Sign Out when using a shared device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.